Welcome back to another video, y'all. Just got back to the house. About to eat my little breakfast first and then get started. Stay tuned, see what we did so far from yesterday, and we about to lock back in for the day. This is how we left the house. Still gotta get this side trim off. At this point, just walk through walls now. Still gotta do the bathroom, but this is our major task today. Gotta clean up all this drywall, sheetrock, try pushing it all to one room. Let me go in from the living room, give y'all a different angle. Straight through the kitchen. So the goal of today's video is clean up. Clean up, finish taking this trim off, get everything out of here, sweep it out. So it's just down to the studs. All right, I'll tap back in a second. All right, y'all, a little update. Trim fully done in this room. On to the next one. Kitchen all done. Now we working on the last room. Just gotta clean it out. Couple little panels left. Private property. Keep out. Or else. So this room, which was one of the original bedrooms, all gutted. Now down here, this was a closet, fully gutted. This is the living room slash dining room, fully gutted. Let's go into where the kitchen was. Y'all seen how this look at the start of the day. It was crazy in here. Piles was about 2 feet tall. This all drywall, sheetrock. Got all that up. Got all the trim. And still a couple little pieces. We'll get that next time. Nothing too crazy. The other bedroom, all done. Just got right here by the fireplace and this door to take off. Other than that, we all good. You see the chimney? So side note, this is a double-sided fireplace. So this one and this one is fully connected. They share the same chute, but they just double-sided. That's pretty neat. But this gotta go. This gotta go. It's taking up too much space. Look at that. Way too much space. This will really open up this room once this gone. Back here, our generator, scrap wood. Look at that, 30-yard dumpster. About full. Actually, it is full. That's 90% full. Still gotta throw little stuff like this in there too. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope y'all enjoy. Peace. All right, so I have my uncle. They all came to help out. How was this process, Unc?
Harder than motherfucker.
Yeah.
I mean, can you tell?
Yeah, you good, you good.
It was pretty hard. It was good work, though.
We did a lot in 3 days.
Yeah.
3 days,
Shit out. Yeah.
start to finish, fully gutted now. We just got a couple of odds and ends.
Yeah.
We done after that.
Full day's work in half a day.
Yeah, it's time to eat now, huh?
For sure, for sure.
All right, we'll catch y'all later. Appreciate watching the video.
One love.